Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to show you the finishing touches on the PGT aluminum awning window. I'm going to begin by attaching the scissor operator to the bottom of the sash. We have our black slides that we're going to position just over the operator, push it upward, and then move the sleeve to lock it in. And we'll have to do that for both. The window is now installed and operates correctly. I can apply a bead of the appropriate sealant around the exterior perimeter of the window. I'm now ready to install the operator cover and handle. I'll begin by removing the black T-handle, locate my bag of hardware, and inside is the cover with handle. The cover doesn't have any screws, but these two teeth on each end that will snap onto the operator. I'm now ready to set the handle onto the operator, and I'm going to make sure that it's positioned just right so when the window's closed, it will lay on the operator casing. The next step is to tighten the set screw with your flathead screwdriver. The next step is to locate your bag of hardware with the two panhead self-tapping screws. These are going to get anchored into your hinge where the empty hole is, one on each side, to prevent the hinges from coming off adjustment. The final step is to insert your screen. The bottom of the screen have these springs, which you'll insert into the window first. You're going to push down on the screen, and then at the top of your screen, you're going to snap it into the frame. To prevent the side rails of your screen from bowing inward, locate the bag of hardware, and there's going to be two clips. These clips will get fastened into the jamb of your window to prevent the screen rails from bowing in. To recap, I'm now showing you the finishing touches of the PGT aluminum awning window. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of the services you can perform on the window.